How to bridge funds to Sonic. Go to buy.foxify.trade. And then make sure that you connect your wallet. In my case, I have to unlock my wallet first, so that's what I'll do. Next, make sure that your wallet is connected. So just have a look there. It's not my wallet, so I click it and I connect another wallet. I choose Rebby because that's the wallet I have, and now it is my wallet connected right there. We want to change from any of these change and 51 more. In my case, I'm going Arbitrum USDC to, well, of course, the Sonic chain, USDC as well. Then we'll need to determine the amount. In my case, I'll do $100. And then right there, you'll see the best return option. You can click Review Bridge. It'll show you the overview again. And then you can start bridging. In your wallet, there will be multiple pop-ups that you need to confirm. And like that, I've confirmed all of the pop-ups. And then pretty soon it will tell me that the bridge is completed. Just wait for it. There we are. And that's how easy it is to bridge your funds.